Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the drop-off feature on Terminal Africa's mobile app. So you open the app on your phone and proceed to book a shipment like you normally would do. Now if you don't know how to book a shipment on Terminal Africa, there are resources and videos on how you can do that, and I'm going to attach videos to the description box or the comment section. So you proceed to book a shipment, and then you enter the details of the sender. I'm going to be selecting from my address book. And then you enter the receiver's information. I'm selecting from my address book again because I already have them saved. Now I'm going to enter the details of the items that I'm sending. I'm sending a wristwatch. The HS code for that would be this, and the quantity is 1. The weight of the item is 3 kg, and the wristwatch costs 150,000. Now this is where the drop-off feature comes in, where you're supposed to select a rate or a carrier. You're going to see the purple icon just underneath the carrier's name, and then you select the preferred carrier of your choice. I'm selecting DHL. Continue, and then I'm going to select a drop-off spot that is close to me. Right, after I have selected that, I'm going to proceed. Now it's important to note, after you have made payment and you're on your way to drop off at the closest hub to you, ensure that you take with you your shipping label and your shipping invoice to the drop-off location so that your shipment can be processed fast and smoothly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Happy shipping.